If you want to know how to log on to x.com, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the full sign-in process step by step so you can get into your account without any confusion. Whether you're using a laptop, desktop, or another computer browser, this will be simple to follow. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any browser you prefer on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the address bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll type the website you want to visit. Now type x.com or twitter.com into the address bar and press enter on your keyboard. Both addresses should take you to the X login page. If the site redirects, that's completely normal because Twitter has now become X. Give the page a moment to load. When the welcome page appears, look for the login button. Depending on the layout, it may be in the center of the page or near the bottom right. Click login or sign in if that is the option you see. This will take you to the login screen where you can enter your account details. Next, you'll need to enter your identifier. This could be your username, which starts with the @ symbol, your email address, or the phone number connected to your account. Make sure you type the correct one so X can find the right account. If you previously connected your account to Google or Apple, you may also see options like sign in with Google or sign in with Apple. You can use those if they were set up before. After that, enter your password into the password field. Take your time and type it carefully because passwords are case sensitive. If you don't remember your password, you may need to use the password recovery option before signing in. Once everything is filled out, click the login button again to access your account. If your login details are correct, you should now be inside your X account and ready to browse posts, reply to messages, or check your notifications. If the login doesn't work the first time, double check your username, email, phone number, and password. Also make sure you're on the official x.com or twitter.com page and not a fake site. That extra second of checking can help keep your account safe. And that's how to log on to x.com or Twitter from your browser. It's a quick process once you know where to click and what details to enter. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.